Unlock the power of natural remedies to enhance your health and well-being. From calming herbal teas to nutrient-dense superfoods, nature provides a wealth of ingredients to support inflammation relief, immunity, digestion, and relaxation. Simple daily choices, like using turmeric for joint health, ginger for digestion, or honey to soothe sore throats, can significantly impact overall wellness. Discover holistic self-care with essential oils, herbal infusions, and antioxidant-rich foods. Whether you're looking to boost energy, ease stress, or strengthen immunity, these natural solutions offer gentle yet effective support. Embrace nature's healing benefits and incorporate these remedies into your routine for a healthier, more balanced life.